Bro, look at this manipulation here, bro. Asia session was extremely bearish. You can't even see because Trump announced war on Iran, right? We go into London session and we continue that bearish momentum. We tapped into a 1 day overlapping a 4 hour and a 1 hour FVG, which usually you do want to see buyers step in. But whenever Trump announces war, we are extremely bearish and we don't have no reversals. We don't have no corrections. We don't see any bulls. So going into New York, we had this 15-minute rejection block right here, right? Which was the most recent lower high. And then we had this other 15-minute rejection block, which was the most recent lower low. We rejected off of this 15-minute, and you honestly could have shorted here. You could have got in right here, put your stops above that most recent high, and you would have caught, this move, bro. This entire move was like 140 points. So you could have caught some of it, even if it was 30 points. But you would have expected the market to continue lower, right? Why? Because we have yet to see corrections whenever war is announced. We don't see any buyers. But all suddenly, look at this, bro. I mean, we go up 600 points almost. For what? I mean, we corrected the whole entire move. Let me go to the 1 hour. Look at this. He announced war on Iran or attacks on Iran at 8 p.m., right? Bro, we corrected the whole entire move. We have not seen a move like this play out since war markets started, bro. This is literally manipulation. You have to understand, if you're trading this, you're literally gambling, bro. This is crazy, bro. Because even though if you did take this short here, you should have took partials or been at break even right here. But you would have expected it to go lower because there's been so many times where we've disrespected 1 day, 4 hours, 1 hour, FVGs, or wherever the case may be, zones, because the markets are extremely bearish, bro. I don't know, maybe we're getting exhausted of Trump just saying stuff. I don't know what it is, but my whole point is to show y'all that if you're trading this, you're gambling, bro. There's no way. I mean, yeah, you probably would have caught on to these longs, but I wouldn't have even taken longs. Why? Because he just announced attacks on Iran again. Why am I looking for longs when I know that there's a chance that we might be attacking Iran again? Like, that doesn't make sense to me, but I don't know. To each their own. Be safe out here, bro. And just be on the lookout from Trump tweets, Trump whatever, news headlines, because they come out so randomly. And again, it affects the market tremendously, bro.